Now, in the same way we can find the amount before a increase, we can also find the amount before a decrease. So let's imagine you had a price of some sort, and that price had been decreased by a certain amount. Now, of course, when we decrease, instead of multiplying it by 1 plus the decimal, we multiply it by 1 minus the decimal. So let's remember that as we go through this. So we've got a price, and it's going to be decreased. Let's say it's decreased by 20%. Of course, 20% is going to be 1 minus 0.2, which is 0.8. So we're going to say x times 0.8. Right, and that's equal to, well, let's imagine the product before it was discounted. We want to find that price, but the new price is $200. So the item, and it was discounted, and now it's $200. So what was it before it was discounted? So we just take this and we divide it by 0.8. So what do we get? We get 200 divided by 0.8. Here it is, 200 divided by 0.8. And it was $250. So we got 0.8 there, and we got $250 here. So let's do the next one. Let's imagine you've got a price of some sort, and that item was discounted by 5%. So that's 0.95. In other words, it's 1 minus 0.05, which comes to 0.95. So the price times 0.95 is $170. So that's the price after it's been decreased. The price after it was decreased. The price after it was reduced. What was the price before it was reduced? Well, let's have a look. We just divide both sides. We divide by 0.95. There it is. Divide by 0.95. And 170 divide by 0.95. Let's do it. 170 divided by 0.95 is 178.95. 178.95. And there is our answer. Let's do one more. Let's say you walk into a store and there's an object for sale. And let's say the object is $210. But the object has just been reduced in price. It's been reduced in price by 60%. That was 1 minus 0.6, which is times 0.4. Because this is times 0.4. So what was the price before it was decreased? So after it was decreased, it's 210. But before it was decreased, so we take the 210 and we divide it by 0.4, and we get 210 divided by 0.4. We get 525. So this is 520. Ugh, what am I doing? I'm becoming dyslexic there. It's not good. $525. There it is. My dyslexia is showing through. All right, so $525, and that is the price before it was decreased. So it was decreased. In other words, you've got 525. It was decreased by 40%. We get $210. You've got $178.95, which was decreased by 5%, and you got 170. You had $250. It was decreased by 8. Sorry, it was decreased by 20%. Wait. Yeah, decreased by 20%, and you got 200. And that's how that plays out.